Today, having just $400 in savings for an emergency already places you above a third of Americans. $400. That's all it takes to be in a better financial situation than millions of people. This highlights how fragile financial reality is, despite what it may seem. Too many people live day to day without a plan, without a safety net, simply hoping that problems won't come knocking at their door. But hoping isn't a strategy. The world won't slow down for those who aren't ready. Before we go further, if you want to truly take control of your future, take a few seconds to like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this message with others, and most importantly, leave a comment. What you start today can transform your life. These aren't just small gestures. They're the first commitments you're making to yourself. The first reason so many people remain broke is because they have no clear financial goals. They wake up, work, pay bills, and repeat without ever stopping to ask themselves, where am I really going? A clear financial goal is more than just wanting to be comfortable or have more. It's knowing that by December you want $2,000 saved. It's setting a precise investment goal. It's planning to buy your first home in 3 years and starting today to lay the groundwork. Without a specific goal, your actions lack direction, your efforts get scattered, and your energy is exhausted without concrete results. Ask yourself this: if I keep doing exactly what I'm doing today, where will I be in 5 years? The answer may be uncomfortable, but it's necessary. The second mistake is the lack of emergency savings. It's not optional, it's a vital necessity. Emergencies don't give you a warning. The car breaks down, a hospitalization occurs, you lose your job, and everything you thought was stable suddenly crumbles. Without savings, these moments become insurmountable crises. Many think they'll start saving when they make more money, but it's the opposite. You start small, even with just a few dollars per week, and it's this habit that creates the ability to handle storms when they come. Imagine the peace of mind you'd feel knowing that a problem won't ruin you. That peace has a price: your discipline today. Thirdly, not keeping a budget is a silent but fatal mistake. It's not enough to think you're managing your money well. You need to see black and white where every dollar's going. Keeping a budget is like turning on a light in a dark room. You suddenly see the leaks, those forgotten subscriptions, those meals out that add up without realizing, those small daily expenses that, when combined, destroy your potential. Keeping a budget doesn't mean depriving yourself of life's pleasures. It means living with awareness, choosing your pleasures instead of letting them control you. It means knowing you're spending $30 this weekend to go out and that you've consciously chosen it without guilt or anxiety attached. But there's something even worse. Many people live without ever thinking about their financial future. They tell themselves they'll have time later, but time waits for no one. Every month without planning is a month lost. Every year without investment is a year that will never work for you. Those who succeed aren't necessarily the ones who earn the most. They're the ones who understand the power of time over money. A dollar invested today is worth 10 times more than a dollar invested 10 years from now. The future belongs to those who prepare it while others distract themselves. Consuming expensive habits kills slowly but surely. Smoking a pack a day, eating out 3 times a week, always buying the latest technology. Each of these decisions seems trivial, but when compounded, they destroy invisible fortunes. Did you know that a simple $5 coffee every day adds up to over $1,800 a year? It's not just about immediate pleasure, it's about priority. Every dollar spent is a choice between immediate comfort and future freedom. Accumulating bad debt is like putting invisible chains around your future. Every time you use credit to finance a short-term desire, you're sacrificing your future for your present. Buying a phone on credit, financing a vacation with a credit card, taking out a loan for consumer goods that lose value the moment they leave the store. This isn't living, it's running away. Every dollar spent on interest is a tribute you pay to your lack of patience and strategy. Spending to impress others might be the saddest mistake of all. Buying clothes, cars, jewelry to be seen, to be validated, to feel like you exist in others' eyes. But these gazes are fleeting. Admiration is volatile. And while you're trying to look rich, you're actually making yourself poorer. True freedom comes from not needing external approval to validate your worth. Paying yourself first is the ultimate key. Every time you receive income, a portion should go directly to your future. Before paying your bills, before thinking about outings, before giving in to your desires. This principle is simple but incredibly powerful. If you don't prioritize yourself in your own life, no one else will. Those who pay themselves first are the ones building their freedom. Those who spend first live in the illusion of freedom. Ask yourself one simple question. Does your financial behavior today bring you closer or further from the life you really want? Because every thoughtless spending, every delayed savings, every missed opportunity builds or destroys you. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. Do you want to be the person looking back with regrets, wondering how they let so many years slip by? Or do you want to be the person looking back with pride, knowing they planted the seeds for their own freedom today? The truth is harsh but necessary. No one will save you. No one will pay off your debts, build your savings, or invest for you. It's up to you to decide that you deserve better. It's up to you to decide that your future is worth a few sacrifices today. And remember, every small action counts. Every dollar saved, every payment avoided, every temptation overcome. These are the details that lead to financial victories, and they add up in ways you can't always see in the moment. It's easy to think that skipping that coffee or not buying those shoes won't make a difference, but in reality, it's these small, consistent actions that build your financial foundation. Over time, these seemingly insignificant choices become the building blocks of your future wealth and security. There's no magic formula, no miracle that's going to change your life overnight. No one is coming to save you, and there are no shortcuts to success. It's about making the right choices over and over again, day after day, until they become second nature. Every time you choose to invest in your future, instead of succumbing to short-term pleasure, you're shaping the reality you'll live in tomorrow. The power lies in your ability to stay disciplined and consistent. It's easy to get distracted by quick fixes or temporary gratification, but true financial freedom is the result of long-term commitment. It's about choosing the future you want now, even when the rewards don't come immediately. These small steps may seem insignificant, but each one is a step toward a life where you no longer feel trapped by money, a life where you're in control, a life where your financial decisions work for you, not against you. You don't need to make massive changes all at once. It's the little things repeated every day that create a snowball effect. The more you practice financial discipline, the easier it becomes. And before you know it, your habits will be in alignment with the life you want to build. Success isn't an event, it's a process. And this process starts with the choices you make today. If this message resonates with you, show that you're different. Like this video, subscribe, share this content with your loved ones, and comment to let me know what your next decision is. You have the power to change your future. That power starts now.